Hi everyone, today, January 8, 2023, I will show you the construction update for Satori residences here in Santolan, Pasig. And as you can see, these 4 buildings are almost completed when it comes to building structures, especially the Hakana and Lana building, which the original turnover schedule is February 2023 and August 2023. Rahu Building in Yasu Building is almost near to completed with the original turnover schedule of February 2024 and August 2024. Amani Building, which now on the 14th level, the original turnover schedule for this one is August 2024. For now, the available units are 1 and 2 bedroom. If you're interested to acquire a property here in Satori Residences, you may reach me to my contact details posted in the description below. Thank you for watching.